had a very successful week with over 260 people attending. We've covered all the important topics for the European organizations to address energy transition in Europe.
What was really clear was the speed of the transition is accelerating absolutely everywhere, across Europe, across the Middle East, across the rest of the world. The issues are absolutely common.
I'd like to emphasize three things that are characteristic of this get-together. First is collaboration. That's kind of the heart and soul of EPRI. Collaboration with universities and utilities and researchers and technology providers. They're all here working together, so that's extremely exciting. The second one is thought leadership, and that's about having the right people here. The industry leaders are here. So the third area is the cross-cutting nature of the discussions. We cover everything from renewables to transmission and distribution, and the customer at the center of all that, the technologies.
The information that's been gathered is really helping to answer mission-critical questions for generators, for network operators, for customers that help improve the quality, reliability and affordability of the electricity system that people enjoy.
All in all, we are very happy because we think we are collaborating. So we appreciate everyone for having come to Lisbon, and we hope to see you again next year.